In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for audio files in Google Drive. If you've ever stored music, voice notes, interviews, or podcast recordings in Drive and can't remember exactly where you saved them, this quick method will save you time and frustration. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Drive account in your web browser. You should see your folders and files along with a toolbar running across the top of the page. Front and center on that toolbar is the search bar. This is the easiest way to find anything in Drive, and today we're going to make it work specifically for audio. Look closely at the search bar and find the advanced search button. Depending on your screen, it may look like a small slider icon or a drop-down arrow on the right side of the search field. Click that to open the full set of search options. This panel lets you narrow things down so you don't have to sift through unrelated files. In the search options, find the type drop-down. Click it and select audio from the list. Choosing audio tells Drive to look only for sound files like MP3, WAV, M4A, and similar formats instead of everything in your storage. This is especially handy if your drive is packed with documents, spreadsheets, and images that would otherwise crowd your results. Once you've selected audio, go ahead and click Search. Drive will quickly scan your storage using that filter and bring back only the files that match. You'll see a results page showing all the audio files in your drive that meet the criteria. This typically includes items in My Drive and can also include files you have access to depending on your view and permissions. From here, you can scroll through the list and spot the exact file you're after by name, owner, or last modified date. Because you filtered by type first, the list should be much shorter and easier to navigate. If you recognize a file by its name or thumbnail, you can open it directly from the results. That's all there is to it. Log into Google Drive, head to the search bar, open the advanced search, set the type to audio, and click search. This targeted approach helps you jump straight to your sound files without digging through folders. If you keep a lot of recordings or music in Drive, using the type filter is a simple habit that makes finding your audio fast and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with smarter searching in Google Drive.